Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I'm not sure if it's summer where you are, but it's summer where I am, and it's very hot. Well, sometimes it's very hot, and when it's very hot I feel for some juice, but I prefer to make my juices myself. You know, I want a little thing to cool me down, so today I'll be making some juice. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you won't be left out of any of my future videos. And if you want to see how this is made in Roma's kitchen, something to cool you down, stick around right after this intro. Okay guys, so here I have 36 cherries. Yes, I counted the cherries. I have 1 lemon, a piece of ginger, and some rock sugar. Now you do not have to use rock sugar, this is just the sweetener that I chose. And guys, I'm going to be adding to this some hot water just to make some syrup, because this is rock sugar, so I need it nice and dissolved. So I'll be moving on to adding my cherries and my ginger. I left the skin on my ginger. I'll be adding everything to my blender because my blender is able to hold all of it at once. Now to this, I'll be adding enough water to fill my blender, and I'm just going to be blending this for about 7 minutes. And my blender is not very powerful, so that's my reason for blending for 7 minutes. Then I'm going to be straining over a clean container. I'm just going to go in my strainer in a circular motion with a fork just to get all the juice out of this. And I'm not going to throw away the pulp because I'll be reblending. Now this is it, ready for reblend, ready to be reblended. So to this, I'll just be adding some more water. Then I'll repeat the process of blending and straining. Now this is what it looks like, guys. It is smelling and tasting so good already. I can't wait to drink some of this when it's nice and chilled. And I'm just going to be straining this one more time to get rid of any little pulp that might have made its way through when I had first strained. So I'm just going back through my strainer with this. Then I'm just going to be using a fork to go in a circular motion to try to separate some of the pulp and from the juice. And remember guys, it's totally optional. This step is totally optional. If you want to leave this little pulp that made its way through, it's all good, but I just chose to remove mine. And guys, as you can see, not much made its way through. Now I'm just going to be discarding this, then moving on to the next step where I'll just be sweetening this. And this step, once again, is very much optional. You do not have to sweeten your juice. And guys, remember that the less, if it's too sweet, it won't be as refreshing, so bear that in mind. So I'm not making mine sweet at all. That only gave me like a cup of syrup, so that is perfect for this. Now I'm just going to rest this in the fridge. So here I have, guys, my juice. It is nice and chilled right now. I can't wait to drink this. It's just tasting so good, guys. You should definitely try this, and you should just comment below, let me know what you think about this drink idea, if it's something that you'll try. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and share this video with a friend of a friend. Until next video.